Hello, this Schoology walkthrough tutorial is for those that are receiving an error message when trying to attach activities or lessons through your Google Drive. So when you are in Schoology and you want to add materials through Google Drive assignments, you have that ability for Schoology to attach those documents as templates and create a new copy for each one of your students. And then it builds folders within folders for Schoology and for each one of those assignments that you have pushed out through the drive. So some of you may have found that you are getting an error message that looks similar to this. So one of the classroom teachers was nice enough to let me take some screenshots to be able to do this video, so thank you, Lisa. So we're using her account to show you how to do this. So your error is just that you need to tell Schoology that it has access and permission to access your Google Drive. So when you get to this spot, there's nothing that you've done wrong. You just have to give it permissions first. By chance, your students might also end up with an error and they may need to do this as well. They just need to allow Schoology to access their drive. So if you are in any of the older grade levels, you probably don't need your students to do that because they've already done it one time, and once they allow, they don't need to do it again. And that goes for you as the classroom teacher as well. Once you go in and set your account, you may not have to do this you won't have to do this more than once. So if you're doing it now, it may be that you have never allowed permissions for your Google Drive, or if you ended up with an update to your laptop for some reason, it might have canceled it out as well. So you just need to do it again from this location. So this screen is where I would have gone to adding assignments, and I've clicked the Google Drive assignments button, and then this pop-up shows up here. So what you're going to do is click that button that says options with this drop-down arrow, and you get account settings. So from here, you click account settings, and then you get this screen. So from this screen, you click on login, and then it's going to say warning. Are you sure you want to log out of this account? Once you log out, students are no longer able to access. So this is basically, it's not allowing anything to happen. So you want to log in. So you click the blue button to log in. You should get your authentication to sign in through Google to allow Dist50.net to continue with your Schoology account. Locate your name, click that, and then give it permission. Go ahead and allow. And then voila, once you allow, you should end up in your Google Drive, and you will be able to access or click on anything that you want to use as a template. You just click those options here, click, and then click the attach button down at the bottom. So that is it. If you receive a red error message and you need to sync your Google Drive to your Schoology account so that you can access all of those assignments to push out to your students. Take care.